Welcome, UTU Trust Guardians. Today we're excited to show you how to set up and install the UTU Trust Browser Extension. And without further ado, let's get started. So to find it, you can go to our website, utu.io, and you'll find a link right on the top navbar, or follow the browser extension page and click the download UTU Trust extension. From here, we're currently on Chrome and Brave, so if you have any of those browsers set up, you can easily install the extension on the official stores. Right? So I'm using Chrome. I'm going to set it up on Chrome and add the extension. All right, it's really quick and easy from the Chrome store. You'll basically see it indicating where to find the extension. And when you click here, I'm going to show you how to just pin it, right? So it's much more easily accessible. Right? You click the puzzle icon, you look for the extension called UTU Trust, and you pin it. This way it's easier to access as you move about the web. Great. So from here, we will show you how to use this extension to leave feedback and view feedback that is related to your personal networks and more relevant to you. All right. So we've installed the extension. So some people may not be aware that you are required, but you do need a wallet to use the extension. A wallet is a version of account access to blockchains and what we call dApps, decentralized applications. So wallet providers like MetaMask work really well. We're going to use MetaMask to showcase this extension, though you can also set up any wallet that's supported by Wallet Connect. Go to MetaMask or Wallet Connect to learn more about wallets if this is your first time as a crypto user. So what we're going to do is connect our wallet. I have a MetaMask. I had already signed in. And now I'm just going to connect my browser extension to the current domain, which is we've gone to app.sushi, a well-known DEX, which is a decentralized exchange. So with a well set up wallet, aka my MetaMask, I am able to sign in to the UTU browser extension, and I can move it anywhere I want in case I don't like where it's positioned so that it doesn't disturb me as much. From here, we're going to click connect to earn because UTU does provide signals and feedback, but this feedback is relevant to your own network. In order for us to provide relevant feedback in your network, you will need to sign up with us at the app.utu.io, which is where we provide rewards. You go to app.utu.io, select connect earn, and from there you can add your Twitter or your Telegram so that those in your network, for example, who are also using UTU to keep the internet safer and leave reviews, you can see what activities they're doing. On top of that, you go to get a 10,000 UTT, which is our token that allows you to endorse, aka provide feedback and stake your reputation through our token. So we'll get into this more, but this is where you'd connect. If you have not connected your Telegram, please go ahead and you will earn some tokens to provide feedback with, to endorse and stake, which helps you not only earn from your reputation, but also build on it. Right. So once you've clicked connect to earn and linked your social networks, whether it's Telegram or any other, you can refresh the browser you'd like to access the extension on, or the domain rather, or the website if you prefer. And from here, we are able to not only give feedback, where we are able to provide more insights on the current website we are visiting. For example, I'm visiting app.sushi.com, which is a DEX. And from here, I want to provide feedback on my experience with, say, interacting with tokens here, my experience with its design, its economics. These are just some indicators that we have provided for the user by default. We also let you tell us what you think, right? Sushi swap. It's smooth. Here you can submit. It automatically updates your submissions and takes them once you click the submit text. So we'll just wait for this to upload. There we go. We have it uploaded. And then when we come here, we also have the opportunity to endorse, right? So we have the chance to personally show that we believe in this website, this app, and it's safe to use, and we would stake our reputation. Sorry about that. We would stake our reputation here with 50 which is UTU Trust tokens. Okay, so now that we've connected our socials, we can finally give feedback. To give feedback, you can select this give feedback button on the main extension bar, banner bar, and it'll open up the give feedback form where you'll be able to give multiple types of feedback, but you will have the ability to give star feedback, which is a star rating typical of most review systems, 1 to 5, right? In this case, you'll be giving feedback related to the current website domain, app.sushi.com. You can see that once you give the feedback, it automatically uploads and updates. You also have this badge feedback, which is very timely and really quick and efficient. So I'm going to say the cost, security, and quality of SushiSwap is something I'm overall happy with. And as you can see, it's also updating and immediately after you give the feedback. For the text review, you must click the submit button for it to start processing, kind of like the badges. We can talk about the endorse feature, and the endorse feature is a core offering of UTU's reputation model. So we have a token called UTT, which is UTU Trust token, which allows you to gain reputation and earn from your reputation online. Not only can you earn from your reputation, but you can use it to stake and possibly provide more intent to your feedback. And it's a very powerful and decentralized concept around how to allow users to take control of their reviews, but also earn from whatever help they provide other users online by keeping them safe from unsafe or malicious applications. So here I'm going to endorse SushiSwap because I know it is a trusted, decentralized exchange. And so far, my experience has not been anything other than above board. I will endorse it with 100 UTT, aka 100 of my UTU Trust token, so that I may earn from this in case anybody else benefits from this kinds of reviews, and that SushiSwap is truly a, a quality dApp to use, a quality decentralized exchange. So when you click endorse, remember that you do need to have a MetaMask wallet connected because endorsements are an on-chain transaction, which means you are executing a smart contract on the blockchain to endorse this website. And to do that, you will need to have Matic, which is the native token on the Polygon ecosystem. So transactions cost gas. Gas is sometimes expensive, and to mitigate that, we focus on blockchains that optimize the gas efficiency. In this case, Polygon, which is a layer 2. So as you see, it prompted me to basically sign the transaction once you click the endorse button, and that will trigger a execution on our smart contract, and we decide to endorse. And once I've endorsed, SushiSwap will be able to be one of the sites anyone on my network, for example, my Telegram or my Twitter, when they go to the show feedback details, right? They should be able to see my endorsements and some of the feedback that I've left based on the fact that they're in my network. So this is much more relevant to say people in my network who've never used crypto before. And so far, I have staked over 750 UTU Trust tokens on this website just because of how much I believe in it. You can also see the type of feedback I've given, right? The quality, security, and design are all things I'm very happy with. Somebody also left a video review here. You can click on that to check it. The star reviews. Um, it's currently using my Twitter name, which is Lakeside Trip. And yeah, so that's how you view feedback, give feedback, endorse, and see that feedback for a certain website domain, in this case, app.sushi.com, a great DEX. And we have so many more features coming soon to this extension, but we're really excited to get you started and able to use it right now. Hope this was helpful, and see you in the next one.